Thank you very much for the invitation, and thank you, Anastasios, also for the connection. It was very interesting to hear all the other perspectives. We are coming from Transilvania Digital Innovation Hub, and right now we are also among the selected candidates at the national level for the European selection for the Digital Innovation Hubs. So we're coming with that perspectives and hoping to share a bit of our experience here. And thank you all for sharing your experiences because the learning is very much the most important element in this context. And right now, of course, everybody is waiting for the last details for the application, the final application, and this is the context where we are. Transilvania Digital Innovation Hub is situated and works mostly in the northwest region of Romania. Cluj is the headquarters, but we have representation also in the nearby counties. And this is a map of basically where we are situated. This is a general statement regarding the vision, and as a digital innovation hub and one of Romania's first digital innovation hubs and most active digital innovation hub, of course, we want to contribute to the transformation of both industries and public administration. Based on DESI indicators, and not only, Romania is not situated very high up on the digitalization scale, so there are many places where improvement is needed, and this in all stages, whether we speak about digitization or digital transformation. Also, the discrepancies are pretty strong, so there are actors and entities which are working on the high end of the industry and of competitiveness, and there are others who are at the very low stages. So the scope of our hub is wide in that respect as well. I will go on a brief history of the Transilvania Digital Innovation Hub. Basically, in 2017, the first steps were taken. And it was mainly an initiative by a consortium of clusters from Transylvania, including the ITC cluster, furniture, energy cluster, creative industries, and agriculture. And these clusters are basically also ensuring the applicability of whatever we are doing as a digital innovation hub to the relevant industries. But also from our digital innovation hub, we have public authorities, so we have applicability in that sense as well. Up until now, where we are selected as an EDIH, we had a number of projects. You have already seen Bowie in today's presentations. We are part of that project as well, and other projects. So this element of the digital innovation hub is quite important for us as an entity. So basically, the Transylvania IT cluster is the orchestrator of the digital innovation hub. In terms of the structure of our digital innovation hub, you can see here the consortium, and these are all represented also in the governance sector. We count on the clusters, which mark the connection with the industries. We count also on the universities and research institutes, and they are very important. We have the Technical University in Cluj and the Babeș-Bolyai University in Cluj, which is one of the top universities in the country. And we have, as mentioned, the Cluj-Napoca municipality as one of our partners. So clusters, representatives of the industry, public authorities, universities, and research institution is how our constellation of members. What we want to do is, of course, to ensure this digital transformation, to provide the academic and research environment needed for innovation, and also in linking the different actors. It's very much in line with the four main functionalities that appear in many presentations. And here right now basically is the functionalities and mapped with current projects that we have. When we are going to go to the brief presentation of the European Digital Innovation Hub, basically what we want to stress is that it doesn't come as a new element, but it comes as a continuation of these efforts of the Transilvania Digital Innovation Hub. And we've been pretty strong on this perspective because it is actually a growth and a maturity and a strategic step that we're taking through the European Digital Innovation Hub. The European Digital Innovation Hub, this is it at a glance. We have the main beneficiaries. As mentioned, we are not focusing exclusively on the industry, on small and medium enterprises and startups. We are also having the public administration as a focus. As domains of applicability, we have healthcare, manufacturing, public administration, smart energy, and smart agriculture. And these domains, as mentioned, are very much linked through the clusters that we have in the consortium. So these clusters ensure I have the duty to present the needs from the sectors, and also to then to do this brokerage functionality that the DIH has. HPC and artificial intelligence are some of the foci as well for our digital innovation hub, our core technologies. As mentioned, the four main functions, like many of you have mentioned, are there and are according to the classical model of the digital innovation hub. In terms of the strategic construction of the Digital Innovation Hub, we include a number of phases, and this is going from the synergy with the concept, the discovery, the economy. So basically, we have a phase where for each of the four areas, there is this stage of research, basically, of mapping. Then it's the phase 2 with the digital innovation, transformation, and innovation experiment. And then the third phase is digital scale. And these three phases will be followed in all the work packages that exist in the Digital Innovation Hub. Talking about the work packages, I'm going pretty fast, but yeah, they are according to the four directions. It's sorry for the Romanian, but it's a learning opportunity for you to read some Romanian. But basically, we have a work pack which is on the ecosystem development. We have one on the context of innovating and testing the technologies, skills and training. And actually, it's more than skills and training. We are talking about competence centers and competence frameworks in that work package. And of course, enabling access to funding in the support to find investment. These are the work packs, and the support to find investment one is very important in the context of Romania, where currently we are in a lot of dialogues with the national authorities regarding the co-funding and the funding of the activities of the DIH, because it's a challenge, and it's one of our challenges. We have two other work packs. One is basically the digital scale and sustainability, where we will follow up on the results basically of all the other work packs, and one which is developing a model of state of the art, the project management, and promoting and dissemination of results. To end is the sectors, and here are detailed some of the examples that we are thinking to translate into the services in the different areas of economy, of public administration, healthcare, agriculture, and energy. So all these are based on the current links that we have with these sectors and on the needs that we identified in the sectors, and yeah, we will focus on this. And right now we are making the final tuning between really matching a specific list of services with the partners' capabilities, and with the needs expressed by expressed and existing at the level of our sector. Aside from the thank you, I hope I managed to catch up a bit with the time. We are very much open to engagement and dialogues with other DIHs, consolidating the international corridors, and look forward to learning together and working together in the future. And I would like to say thank you.